Hello guys. If your LUXPro thermostat keep changing the temperature automatically and you want to stay at one setting, you are in the right place. The hold button is designed to temporarily or permanently override your program schedule and maintain a single temperature until you cancel it. This is useful when you are home all day, away from a few days, or simply don't want the thermostat following its normal schedule. These are the steps you can try to use the hold feature correctly, so let's get started. Number one, set the thermostat to your desired temperature using the up or down buttons. Number two, press the hold button once to lock in that temperature. Number three, check that hold appear on the display to confirm the schedule is paused. Four, leave the thermostat is heat or cool mode so it maintain the selected temperature. Five, press hold again or run or return depending on your model to resume the program schedule.